All right, hi, I'm Gavin. So I actually hang around with like Tyler and John and a lot of these guys who you've seen talk tonight. And we were kind of learning Meteor together, and I noticed a lot of people building applications where kind of they wanted to use the real-time nature of it, and a lot of these apps had like the concept of a room where people would talk to each other and things like that. So I'd never built anything for to be consumed by developers, so I thought it was kind of a fun trial for me to do that. So I made a smart package called Rooms, and I pushed some updates today that I was having issues pushing it, so don't use it tonight. I'll get it fixed in the morning. But I basically wanted something where, like, the same way you drop in the helper for accounts with Meteor, it would be this way for Rooms. And so if I hop over, I wanted something where the HTML would just be this, and you could just. And so you could show room controls, you could show a list of the current rooms, and if they're in a room, you could show that room, or you could actually take those out and just, you could expose, like room.create is exposed to the developer, and you have some things that are documented on GitHub here. I documented like everything. It was the first time like writing something like this, so it's probably too much. But anyway, so it's all essentially off the bat. You get it pops you into a room. Handles the messaging, and if you can jump from room to room, and it also, I used a heartbeat timer because one of the things I wanted to do was that was just kind of an experiment for me, but somebody else logs in, and I wanted to see if I could catch their, if they didn't like actually leave a room, I wanted to see, I wanted to remove them from the room, so decrementing the number of users. And there's a couple of options with each thing. You can say like, you can set a max size, and so that way if like you are making a game and you wanted 2 people per game, or 2 people in a room, you could set a max size to 2, and so that way when somebody logs in, they'll get automatically added to any room with 1. And some things like that, but that's all in the API. So that's this was really fun for me to kind of play around with and build. That's all.